Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through using the ID.me Authenticator app to secure your account. Start by downloading and installing the ID.me Authenticator app from your App Store. Once installed, open the app and log in with your ID.me credentials. The app will generate a unique verification code that refreshes every 30 seconds. When you log into a website or service that supports ID.me, enter your username and password as usual. Then open the Authenticator app and type in the current code displayed. This two-step verification ensures only you can access your account. You can also enable push notifications for easier approval requests, so instead of entering a code, you just tap Approve. Always keep your device secure, and your ID.me Authenticator will provide an extra layer of protection for all supported accounts. Subscribe the channel for more videos.